Okay, so here's a gorgeous gold dress. It measures 43 in length. It's beautiful. It's so disco glam. It's got the baby doll ruffle at the sleeve. It's outrageous. Very unusual too. Definitely looks like something you'd see in Vogue. This would be great for a photo shoot. Doesn't look dated or anything. It's just very beautiful dress that's, you know, perfect when belted. And you'll see that I made a music video to, I think it's Just My Imagination, where I'm wearing this dress, and so you can see what it looks like on a person and belted, and it's just beautiful. Here's its vintage label. It measures 18 3/4 across the bust and then 18 across the waist. And then it has these really small shoulder pads inside. Very, very slight to accent the baby doll ruffle at the sleeve. Okay, so this gorgeous black dress with the couture label, Miami Beach, measures 57 in length. It's really glamorous and beautiful.